Hey everyone, Gil here at graymanprepping. On today's episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about getting a portable power station, also erroneously known as a solar generator. And I'm going to harp on this for a minute. It's not a generator, it's a battery bank with a built-in inverter and charge controller. So it's not a generator, it's a power station. All right, so they come in all sorts of sizes, from 150 watts up to 10,000 watts. And as such, their prices range from inexpensive to very expensive. And there are also some that are cheap. When I say cheap, I mean cheaply made. They're not worth the money you spend on them. All right, so what is the advantages of having a power station? Well, number one is when the power goes out, you can keep some things going if you have one large enough to handle it. Such as you can keep a CPAP going for a night, or 2 nights, or 3 nights, depending on the size of the power station. You can keep your refrigerators going. Freezers going. You know, there's some things you can keep going depending on it. Now, if you have the really big ones, you can keep your whole house going for a while if you have enough expansion batteries for them. And the bigger ones are built to have expansion batteries set with them. So you have the unit, you have a number of expansion batteries, and those will keep you going for longer. Now, they are chargeable through various means, including solar, 110 outlet, 12 volt input. So there are ways to charge it up other than plugging into the wall. But they do have plug in the wall adapters so that when the power comes back on, they charge up, which works good for people in apartments because they keep it plugged in, it's fully charged, power goes out, they can use it. All right, so think about it, look into it. Don't just buy right off the bat. Do some research because things are changing. All right, so stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps: water, food, medicine, clothing. Learn a new skill every month, and try to grow an indoor garden this year, because next year we're having a contest to see who can grow the most in 2025. But for now, just grow an indoor garden.